The Dubb Chrome extension is one of the easiest to use and most powerful screen recorders available anywhere. Here's how it's going to work. First, you'll notice there are some screen recording options. I'm currently using the screen recorder now to record this video. Here we can do things like arrows pointing to the directions. We can number first, second, third. Of course, we can draw on the screen. There's an ability to completely alter your webcam where you can zoom in, zoom out, change the size, change the shape. And of course, you can move the camera anywhere you want as well. So webcam functions, annotations. There's also a full function teleprompter where you can select from scripts, read directly from your teleprompter while you're recording your screen. So as far as recording goes, it's the most robust, feature-rich screen recorder available on the market. Now, it also does some other things. There is instant library access here where you can take any video and universally copy and paste this into any channel, email, social, CRMs, text messages, etc. So one click to instantly share your videos into any channel. Next, it also has a fully customizable generative AI assistant built right in, where you can set up a profile, including specifics about yourself, tonality, word length, all these options so that you can create powerful outputs without complex prompts. You can enter something simple like write me a sales email, and it's going to understand everything about you so that it gives you fantastic outputs with simple prompting. So you don't have to be an AI expert or have a mile-long list of prompts. So the AI assistant is directly built into the extension where you can generate your prompts and then add this directly to your teleprompter or copy it to your clipboard. Then you have access to your reporting where you can see exactly who's watching your videos, how much, where they were, etc. And lastly, you have the option for the sidebar where Dubb can now be a part of anything that you're doing on your screen. So this is the most powerful screen recorder, guys, on the market, and we can't wait for you to try it for yourselves.